We are live already.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, Namaskar. We welcome all our audience for connecting with us on this platform today. As the name suggests, we are here for launching one of the website by our own VLE. How she able to do that? Who is she? And what made her to launch this website from on her own? We'll get this answers to all these questions in today's session. Before we start this session, let's welcome all our speakers here. First, we like to welcome Dr. Dinesh Tyagi, MD of CSC SPV. Welcome, sir.
Namaskar. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
And second, the Vili herself, Dr. Lakshmi, Dr. S. Lakshmi. She's academician. She done her PhD in physics. Had a lots of experience in teaching, and she's a professor herself. Let's welcome Lakshmi ma'am. Lakshmi ma'am, a very welcome here. Satha, can you please unmute herself? Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
And because she's from Tamil Nadu, how can we forget our state head? We welcome Vinod Kuriakose. Welcome, Vinod ji.
Thank you, Bhagwati. Thank you.
Let's, Vinod sir, we'll start this session from you. We'll talk with Lakshmi later. Know about the Digimon, how do you see this service and what impact does it have in your state? Vinodji, you are muted. Please unmute yourself.
Good morning to all. Respected Tyagi sir, Bhagwati, Dr. Lakshmi, VLEs and dear friends. With the majority of our people still staying at home due to COVID-19, our CSCs have to adapt to entirely new ways of working. One of the most important things we can do in these uncertain times is communicate clearly with our customers. We need to inform our customers that our CSCs are open for business, whether it is new LIC microinsurance or restarting of PMG Disha exams. We should build trust by letting customers know what is going on. We also need to inform the society that our CSC services still remain relevant. And this can happen if you have a website. And DigiName is the best platform which is inexpensive yet so effective. Today we have Dr. Lakshmi, who is a retired professor. Currently she is our VLE. She has created a website by herself using our DigiName platform. The fact that a retired physics professor could create such a beautiful and informative website by herself demonstrates the advantages or benefits of our DigiName platform or the DigiName platform offered by CSC. And few benefits of DigiName platform are its ease of use. Our domain registration and website builder is designed to enable an average person to create and launch a website quickly and easily. The other benefit of our DigiName website is the excellent quality of website design templates we have and also the themes we have. When it comes to website templates, we want to use clean, modern, mobile-friendly and customizable designs. And DigiName platform has all these features. Again, we have unique customization options. DigiName helps us to change the look and feel of our website quickly. It helps us to easily change the color, font, layout, and even the background of website in no time. Again, and last but not least, The unique feature of DigiName platform is its custom domain name availability feature and affordability. You can buy a domain which you want or at the lowest, cheapest rate which is available in the market. So these features are critical for successfully creating a website on our own, sitting in our CSE or sitting at home. And Dr. Lakshmi's words today will be a testimony to DigiName's usefulness for promoting business during this COVID-19 difficult times. Now, I'll just sum up in Tamil also. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு நம்ம இந்த கோவிட்-19 சிச்சுவேஷன்ல நம்ம சிஎஸ்சிஸ் எல்லா இடத்துலயும் ஓடிட்டு இருக்கு சர்வீசஸ் நம்ம மக்களுக்கு டெலிவர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு. பட் அதுக்கு பேரலா நம்ம மக்களுக்கு நம்ம சிஎஸ்சி ஓப்பன் ஆயிருக்குன்னு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கொடுத்துட்டே இருக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி நிறைய புது சர்வீசஸ் வருது, நிறைய சர்வீசஸ்ல புதுசா அடிஷன்ஸ் வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. ஸோ நம்ம மேலே இருக்கிற நம்பிக்கை அப்படியே இருக்கிறதுக்காக நம்ம விஎல்இஸ்க்கு அந்த புது ப்ராடக்ட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷனும் மோடிஃபிகேஷன் எக்ஸிஸ்டிங் ப்ராடக்ட்ல ஏதாவது மோடிஃபிகேஷன் இருக்குன்னா அந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷனும் அந்த கரெக்ட் டைம்ல கொடுத்துட்டே இருக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி நம்ம சிஎஸ்சி சர்வீசஸ்ல நிறைய சர்வீசஸ் இந்த டிஃபிகல்ட் டைம்ஸ்ல தேவைப்பட்ட சர்வீஸ், நம்ம டெலிமெடிசின் அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய சர்வீசஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ அந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷனும் கரெக்டா மக்களுக்கு போய் சேரணும், அந்த கரெக்ட் டைம்ல மக்களுக்கு போய் சேரணும். ஸோ இது நம்மளால எப்படி மக்களுக்கு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கொடுக்க முடியும்? நம்ம ஒரு வெப்சைட் இருந்தா அந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கரெக்டா மக்களுக்கு போய் சேர்ந்துடும். நம்ம வீடு வீடா போய் இந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கொடுக்க தேவையில்லை. அந்த வெப்சைட் மூலமா மக்களுக்கு அந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கிடைச்சிடும். அந்த வெப்சைட் கிரியேட் பண்ணதுக்காக நம்ம பெஸ்ட் ஆப்ஷன் நம்ம DigiName பிளாட்ஃபார்ம். அது இன்எக்ஸ்பென்சிவா இருக்கு, எஃபெக்டிவா இருக்கு. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கூட டாக்டர் லக்ஷ்மி, அவர் ஒரு ரிட்டையர்ட் ஹெச்ஓடி ப்ரொஃபஸர், நம்ம சென்னையில் ஒரு காலேஜில் அவர் ஹெச்ஓடியா இருந்திருக்கு, லாஸ்ட் ரிட்டையர் ஆயிருக்கு. ரிட்டையர் ஆகி அப்புறம் அவர் நம்ம விஎல்இ ஆயிருக்கு. ஸோ அவர் தனியே ஆறாலுமே ஹெல்ப் இல்லாம ஒரு விஎல்இ ஒரு வெப்சைட் கிரியேட் பண்ணிருக்கு. தனியே டிசைன் பண்ணிருக்கு, தனியே டொமைன் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிருக்கு, தனியே ஒரு வெப்சைட் கிரியேட் பண்ணிருக்கு. ஸோ அது அந்த ஒரு ரிட்டையர்டு ப்ரொஃபஸருக்கு, பிசிக்ஸ் ப்ரொஃபஸருக்கு தனியே ஒரு வெப்சைட் கிரியேட் பண்ண முடிஞ்சா அந்த DigiName பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் அந்த எவ்வளவு யூசர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி ஆயிருக்குன்னு உங்களுக்கு இதை இமேஜின் பண்ணிடுறேன். ஸோ நிறைய ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் இருக்கு. இந்த கோவிட் டைம்ல நம்ம விஎல்இஸ் யாருமே சென்டர் விட்டு டிசைனர் பக்கம் போக தேவையில்லை, வெப்சைட் கம்பெனி போக தேவையில்லை. உங்களோட லேப்டாப் அல்ல சிஸ்டம் யூஸ் பண்ணி உங்களோட சென்டர் உள்ள இருந்து உங்களுக்கு நைஸா டிசைன் பண்ண முடியும். அதே மாதிரி அடிக்கடி நம்ம லே அவுட் சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியும், ஃபோன் சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியும், புது லுக்கு. இப்ப தீபாவளி டைம்ல ஒரு ஃபெஸ்டிவ் லுக் வெப்சைட்டுக்கு கொடுக்க முடியும். அதே மாதிரி பொங்கல் டைம்ல ஒரு புது ஃபெஸ்டிவ் லுக், ஒரு புது கலர்ஃபுல் லுக், கலர் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிடாம், தீம் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிடாம், டெம்ப்ளேட் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிடாம். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி யூனிக் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் இருக்கு. அதுல எல்லாமே மேல உங்கள பேர்ல, இப்ப சிஎஸ்சி பேர்ல ஒரு டொமைன் நேம் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணி ரொம்ப சீப்பா மார்க்கெட் இன்னைக்கு அவைலபிளா இருக்கு இந்த வெப்சைட்ல ரொம்ப சீப்பஸ்ட். இந்த மாதிரி ரேட்ல உங்களுக்கு வெப்சைட்டே லான்ச் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ கண்டிப்பா இன்னைக்கு டாக்டர் லக்ஷ்மி நம்மளோட பேச போத எப்படி இந்த வெப்சைட் கிரியேட் பண்ணிருக்குன்னு பேச போத. ஸோ இது கேட்ட அப்புறம் நம்ம எல்லா சிஎஸ்சியும் கண்டிப்பா நம்ம ஒரு டொமைன் நேம் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணி ஒரு வெப்சைட் லான்ச் பண்ணணும். இந்த காலகட்டத்துக்கு அது தேவைப்படுது. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஓவர் டு பாரதி. அண்ட் ஐ ஆல்சோ வுட் லைக் டு தேங்க் தியாகி சார் ஃபார் launching this, accepting our invitation and launching this platform. So thank you very much. Over to Bharati.
Thank you, Vinodji. You added a regional touch and informed really how they can customize their website as per the occasions, festivals, because India is a country of festivals and we have a number of festivals. And we just started with the Diwali, the Shara is there, and there are lots of festivals going through. So we really can customize their website. We'll talk about DigiName later on, but now it's time to introduce yourself with Dr. S. Lakshmi. Before I hand over to her, let me tell you about a brief about herself. She has doctorate in physics And apart from that, she has masters in mass communication also. She has lots of feathers in her hat. She traveled world. Apart from 35 years of teaching, she has also 25 years in research papers. She's publishing them. She's traveling world a lot. And at the age of 62, when rest of the people think about retirement, she got herself certified in Google Analytics. How great is that? Let's not. I'll not speak much. I'll hand over to you, Dr. S. Lakshmi. Over to you, and you can talk about yourself and the what motivate you at this age to publish your own website. Over to you, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this esteemed organization, which has provided the platform to sharpen my skills. With the able guidance of Dr. Dinesh Tyagi sir, CEO, CSE SPV, and his well-trained officers, I could develop my own website, lars.co.in, and now I am awaiting the formal launch. I feel honored by his presence along with other senior officials, and I extend my heartiest welcome to you all for this well-organized virtual formal launching ceremony. With your kind permission, I wish to give a brief introduction about myself. I am Dr. Lakshmi, former head of the Department of Physics of SDNB Vaishnav College in Chennai, having an experience of over 3.5 decades. After superannuation, I wanted to gainfully utilize my experience for the betterment of the society in general and the education sector in particular. Throughout my career, academics was my profession, reading was my hobby, and acquiring knowledge was my passion. Incidentally, during 2019, I came across the skill development programs of the Digital India initiatives, and I submitted an application for registering my Common Service Center as Lars Digital. At this point of time, I was providing guidance to the students in understanding various study options and identifying the career of their choice through my YouTube channel, Lars Education. Apart from this, I wanted to conduct some skill development courses in my center. But due to this pandemic situation, I was forced to stay at home. It's a fact that it will not be possible for me to develop Lars Digital in physical form, not only today, but also in the near future due to safety issues and health conditions. Then, what are the other options? Only online activities. How can my community find me online? That was the next question. Again, I started exploring various options of working from home, and at last I understood that a website for my organization is a basic necessity for providing any online service. DigiName seems to be a great option because of the facilities at affordable cost. I purchased the domain lars.co.in from DigiName and started with the VLE special plan. So far, I was only a stranger to web design and used to admire the younger generation doing that job. Though I am possessing research experience of more than 30 years, published papers in journals with good impact factor, and possess sound knowledge of using computers and softwares, I did not have the skill to build a website. I had the option of outsourcing the job, but this was out of question due to various factors. Also, I understood that whenever I want to update my website with recent activities, I have to approach the service provider, which involves time and money. So, I decided to do it completely on my own and to have a personal feel, started studying and developing the skills needed. I am happy to share with you that incidentally, I completed basic and advanced certifications of Google Analytics. Thanks to the provisions given by the CSE scheme, now I am coming out with my website, lars.co.in. This is a 5-page website designed with the VLE special plan. In my homepage, I have provisions to say the possible activities of Lars Digital. I can place advertisements and announcements in that page. I also have images. In the About page, I have focused on the online activities of Lars Digital. The products and services section includes a description as well as images with a link to the contact page where we have the contact details and a form for the customer to provide his details. When I tell somebody that I am having a launching ceremony of my website on 5th November, they immediately ask the question, what are you going to do with this website? Recently, I saw a video of the convocation of IIT Madras conducted in the virtual mode. The desire in me to do something big with AR in the field of education. Now that I have the backing of CSE, DigiName, and CSE Academy, I am sure that I will be able to set new goals that are unique and achieve them. I am very much thankful to CSE and DigiName for not only helping me come out with a digital presence, but also acquire skills in web designing, and this adds to the diversities of my qualifications. I am also offering the little knowledge I have acquired and my services to my colleagues in CSE who need their own website. As an academician, I am offering my services to be a part of future CSE Academy initiatives. In my experience, the support provided by DigiName is awesome. I started with basic plan. I wanted to explore all possible options within the limited facilities available for that plan. Whenever I send a list of issues and requirements to DigiName, they respond wholeheartedly. Once again, I wish to express my sincere thanks to CEO Dr. Dinesh Tyagi sir, our state head Vinod Kuryakos sir, and CTO of CSE Academy Subodh Mishra sir, who is not present due to some meeting, for the successful launch of my website in such a grand manner. I thank Mr. Paramasivam, our Kanchipuram district manager, for his support. I wish to express my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Hari Wompal and Ms. Suman, who were my point of contact in DigiName, for their untiring technical support in developing this website. Last but not the least, I thank the CSE team, Ms. Bhagavati, Mr. Sarthak, and Ms. Urvasi for the successful conduct of the event. Thank you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And very humble of you saying you acquired very little knowledge so far. I must say, you are accommodations in your own words. You have lots of knowledge, and now you're putting this knowledge to the betterment of society. So it's very nice of you giving back to the society and becoming a VLE. Thank you so much. Let's move to Tyagi sir. Now we want to know your words that what importance DigiName, digital identity, is going to play in our VLE CSE network. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Bhagwati. And namaskar good morning to all these CSE VLEs who are now participating in this webinar from Tamil Nadu and also from other states across the country. First of all, let me thank Dr. S. Lakshmi for inviting me and our team to inaugurate this website she has designed, and also Vinod, who and his team in Tamil Nadu has helped her in trying achieving this. Madam, I think I must thank you very much and profoundly. It's actually a very pride moment for the CSE. We never thought in our lifetime that there'll be a doctor in physics who will be a CSE VLE. So we are very thankful to you, and it actually adds a lot of feather to our cap and also the CSE movement. It's going to be a great motivator. We are going to actually take your abstracts and try and send across all over the country. Not only that you are a doctor in physics, you are actually above 60, which also motivates quite a lot to us. That CSE is actually meant to simplify life for people irrespective of age, gender, and class. It can help quite a lot. I think you must be one of the few highly educated CSE entrepreneur across the country. We have some of them who have done very well, but I think you are exceptional. And I must go in front of you and try and say thank you very much for being part of this movement. For CSE, for us, has been creating largely enterprises, rural enterprises. How do we try and create rural enterprises and help communities access various services? That is the large objective of Common Service Center. Creating a website why do we start DigiName and why do we started all this? See, when we started the CSC, a lot of these village level entrepreneurs used to ask me, give me an identity card. And I used to always tell them, your identity is your community. Why do you need identity card? If the community does not like you, they will not come to you. I cannot give you an identity card because you print your own identity card. That is how it will happen. So they can print their card, go and circulate wherever they want to circulate. But ultimately, the community must own you. Community must respect you, and community must trust you and believe you. Then only the enterprise will grow. And that is why we never issued any identity card to CSCVL. We only now allow sometime to DigiName that you can print a card of it, but there's nothing issued in our system. We have been preventing this to happen because we believe that this semblance of identity card should get out of our system, and we should try and create faith and trust in the community we're doing. When we're doing this, we said, let's try and do digital identity in the world which are changing, that we may not do physical identity card, but why can't we create a digital identity? So we said, let every CSC should have a digital identity because they are digital. These are digital platforms. These are digital service providers. So they basically govern the laws of trying and helping community through a digitally framework. And therefore, we said, let's do that part of the work. Earlier, there used to be .com and .org. So most of the website, if you're seen, has been creating .com and .org. .com and .org are not Indian. They are American. So all that you do goes to America. There's nothing Indian in it. So what we did was, let's try and do something Indian and create an Indianness within the digital community for creating websites. So we got it .in. And that's why we became an agency for Nixie, which is the service provider across the country, which is what sells the .in domain names and .bharat. Of course, .bharat is written in Hindi. We have been asking them to write .bharat in English so that people want to use, because Hindi, nobody will use a website in Hindi. Nobody want to type in the name in Hindi and access a website. But they can write Bharat in Spanish. So I think the new CEO of Nixie has agreed that he will look into it. And if they can have .in, .bharat, we also trying and helping and asking them if they can create a .csc domain name. That will be unique. So you can have Dr. Lakshmi .csc, which is very unique, which would be the best thing which can happen. Then the CSC identity gets of so. So we're trying and making effort, but the whole objective is to create an identity for our entrepreneurs. And fortunately, Bhagwati in the central team looks after .in. So Bhagwati, not only the moderator, she actually happens to be today. It is she manages this, and she has her targets assigned for completing all the VLEs to bring it. So, Madam, our request will be: we are very happy and we are very thankful that kindly help all the Tamil Nadu VLEs in creating a website, a domain name and website. We will help you. I will support you financially. I will support you financially if you create all of them. Talk to them in Tamil, try and help them some content also in local language. It's not necessary to put in English. You can put local language content, but they can put their photographs. In fact, you should also put your photograph on the website. That will be a great thing. Some of them should put out their husband and wife both together so that it looks create an identity for them. That's very unique because digital identity should reflect in that fashion. So once you created a website, then what do we do? You rightly said, they might say that, okay, we created a website, but what do I do with it? What is the value addition for me with the website? Website first is the identity creation for you, that people in the community will know that your website. All the services which you provide are accessible to them, are available to them. And some of these VLEs are very smart. Some of the VLEs are so smart that they run a YouTube channel and their subscriber base is 170,000. 180,000. That is subscribed. And they make so much of money that one of the VLE asked him to join the organization. He refused. He's saying, no, sir. And he come to a flight. So because he runs a YouTube channel only for CSC, he only helps CSC VLE learn what is the CSC scheme, how to try and do that part of them. So they become very innovative. So madam, our request will be, you also run a YouTube channel on CSC services. I will share with you every service which I have. We have plethora of services. We have now 350 services. So you can do in Tamil, you can dub in Tamil and tell them, look, do this screen, do the screen, do the screen, and you will be able to operate the service. Yeah.
Sir, thank you for the comment, sir. My YouTube channel is most of the videos are in Tamil, sir. I am providing career guidance for the students, whatever course they can study. and whatever higher education. And if any specific question comes, I advise the students. And that channel is run in Tamil, sir.
So you can also do for
So
VLE. You can also do
I'm popularizing the courses of CSC Academy also through my YouTube channel, and it is nothing is on for the monetary benefits, sir. Government is giving me enough attention.
Okay, but if you need any support, we'll be willing to support you. As long as you support.
Yes, sir, I am prepared to offer. I am prepared to offer all my services to the CSC organization for understanding that I will be able to develop a website.
Okay, great. I think thank you very much. That will be very helpful. And we know now it is responsibility to see that every VLE in Tamil Nadu has his own website, put his own contents on the website, and also create a Facebook and a YouTube channel page on the website.
Yes.
I hope Bhagwati, we allow them to create a Facebook and YouTube and a Twitter channel
Yes, sir.
of their
Yes, sir.
own into the same page so that they also get on social media. And the response of social media will also create earnings for them. Some of them, if they're smart, they can actually make a killing out of the whole system and do far better than what is being done. Social media is highly paying proposition today. And if you're smart, you can try and make. I give examples of people who are making in our system. They do in Hindi. Somebody do in local language in Hindi also Bihari nature. So he runs a channel, and they are very acceptable, highly acceptable to the community as part of them. See, India as usual needs different kind of solution to different areas. Can't be one uniform solution to all them. And therefore, we need to try and work out with the local environment, local content, and local aspirations and feeling in order to address those issues. The objective remains the same. The citizen across the country, especially those in villages, men, women, children, should be able to get everything what a person in urban area gets. That is the objective. Whether it's education, whether it's health, whether it's financial inclusion, banking services, everything we provide. Our objective is same, that we must help communities live decently, with respective of whether they're in Chennai or they're in somewhere in Tanjore, remote area of a village in Tanjore. So that is actually not going to make a difference in the life of people. And then that's what we call Gram Swaraj and Atmanirbhar Bharat, and local for vocal. So all this will happen. So the digital identity through a .in domain name is a must for every CSC VLE. And we know that his team should try and ensure that every CSC VLE creates their own. They can put their sons and daughters' photograph on this, whatever they want to do. They can run videos, and whatever manner if they want to do commercialize or take advertisement across, they can also put advertisement. Yes, they are how much they want to earn, how much they want to publicize local community is their outlook and doing that part of them. I am taking Bhagwati's some of the initiative. I think one of the initiative now we have taken is that every CSC will get domain name at 50% of total cost. So that has been presently done. And also all the education academy will get free. All the CSC Education Academy will get domain name free. That is what is being announced recently. So this is the best time. And every CSC should take this opportunity because the scheme is open for short period of time and suddenly we will get closed. But I think we should get everybody activated. And I'm really, Dr. Lakshmi, I'm very motivated. I'm motivated after seeing you. I'm so highly motivated and excited in seeing that Dr. Lakshmi will become a role model for championing the .in. Bhagwati, you should use her video of saying that, look, what a change can happen when you have your own website and .in name.
Sure,
And
sir.
.in will create Indianness for them. Let's do that. One more request that since Dr. Lakshmi runs a CSC, Madam, we will request you not only that you create a website for yourself, all the people nearby who do small business, who runs a shop or want to do something, you also help them in buying domain name and create a value proposition and also create a website for them. And we will help you. So you help all the local people, small women who want to sell local handmade articles, create a website for that. Somebody has self-help group women who make something in the house and want to sell, create a website for it. So all that can be done. And you can help them in buying domain name. You can create a website for them and try and support them. Some who are very poor and want to do, we will support them also financially. We can help them support. But these are outside the VLE system, but you can try and do that part of the work. And if you do maximum number, we will award you. I'm sure that if you do you probably will be the largest VLE, one of the VLEs across the country who will do largest number of sale of domain name and website. And Bhagwati naturally looks very happy about seeing that part of the work being done. So thank you very much. And all the VLE especially from Tamil Nadu should learn. I think they should learn from Dr. Lakshmi that what a inspiration she is, what a role model she is, that never get disheartened. I always used to tell them whenever there's some problem, either in the system or otherwise, and wherever you feel very unhappy, then you call me and talk to me. I will. And now they can actually talk to Dr. Lakshmi, who will do a guiding force for all of them. In the technology, sometimes you feel very bad because of the solutions not coming or it's taking time. At that time, there is somebody who console you, who handhold you, who support you, and tell him, wait, a solution will come. And Dr. Lakshmi, being mature and senior enough, she'll be able to try and handhold all the VLEs who are young and want to get into space. And her courses which she is running, we can take into our system and try and through our system, through our academy system, we can try and even launch those courses for every VLE, not only through our website, but also through our system. We can help Dr. Lakshmi's courses, online courses delivered in the system. So thank you very much. I am a very proud moment for CSE today, and I am very excited. I'm very motivated. And thank you, Dr. Lakshmi, for being an inspiration to all of us in creating websites and making digital. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You have made my work very easy. Thank you, Dr. Lakshmi. We'll look forward to work with you. You'll be the guiding force to encourage our VLEs in Tamil Nadu to have their own digital identity as DigiName. Thank you so much, Dr. Lakshmi. And Vinod sir, we have lots of work to do. Let's pull our socks together, and we have we have big numbers to achieve. And Tyagi sir will assure you we'll get these numbers very soon. And with this word, we conclude our session here. And we expect all our VLEs that please buy your DigiName from our website www.diginame.in. And currently we have having a few offers running where you can buy .in and .bharat domains at 50% discount. Apart from it, from next year, when the renewal fee, you will getting 50% discount further. So it's an added bonus for you. You can avail this offer because we are closing this offer very soon. So please, a humble request, kindly ensure that you have your own digital identity earliest. So with this word, we conclude our session here. Thank you, Tyagi sir. Thank you, Vinodji. And thank you so much, Dr. Lakshmi, taking some time from your busy schedule. And we look forward to work with you. Namaskar.
Thank you all.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.